Welcome back. We've got lots going on for you this morning. We are still tracking the markets, continuing to look, of course, a little weak, but not spooky yet this morning. We've also got the management of Dixon Tech joining us, and we've got lots to talk about with them as well. Mr. Gupta, good morning and thanks for joining us. Just to start off with, if I can get a sense from you on really where things stand as we speak, as things have unlocked and as we're heading towards festive season.
Yeah, good morning, everybody. Thanks for having me. So we are looking for a very strong Q2. Our order book is healthy across all the verticals. We have gone back to almost 100% capacity utilizations across all our factories. So the order book is extremely good, and we are looking for a very strong Q2. And we are excited about this whole PLI opportunity that is expected to come from the government. We should have an answer to it, or we should have the approvals in the next 7 to 10 days. So we are significantly looking to expand our capacities in that particular vertical. And even otherwise, the order book, the capacity expansion, we are seeing a significant tailwind across all our verticals. And as a result, we are making capacity expansion across all the other verticals, and we're making investments there.
All right. So already stepping up on that front. Chivada, what more can you tell us about really, where you're seeing traction and whether or not you expect these trends to sustain going forward?
Yeah, we really expect these trends to sustain. We are looking at a good Diwali season, and we see that the momentum should continue beyond Diwali as well. Of course, yes, there should be some caution that as the localized lockdowns may impact some closures and may impact some demand. But as of now, all the businesses have come back to almost 100% utilization levels. And if you look at LED TV as a category, we have a very strong order book there as well. On account of the recent notifications and circulars by the government, where they are restricting the LED TVs and as per the if you need to get an approval from DGFT. So as a result, we are seeing more traction there as well, and as a result, we are expanding our capacities to almost 5.1 million. Currently, we have a capacity of 4.4 million, and 5.1 million would typically take care of almost 40% of the requirement. If you look at washing machine, we have gone back to almost 100% levels there as well, and we are in the process of adding more customers in the washing machine category. Our fully automatic top load version should also come up by Q3 of this financial year, and there we have tied up with one big anchor customer, and we are looking to tie up with more anchor customers in that segment, so that should start generating revenues for us from next financial year. As far as other verticals are concerned, we are now looking to get into a new vertical of refrigerators, and there we are creating a capacity of almost 0.7 million of direct cool kind of a capacity, and that should be operational and live by FY 22-23, and that should generate almost 500 crore kind of plus revenues for us. So despite challenging times, I think so even in this financial year, we should have a growth, and we should have a decent growth this year, but next year it can be a really strong growth for us.
Saurabh, morning. You're already working at about an 80% capacity for the home appliances and 100% for mobile phones. How are you planning to meet this heightened demand during the festive season? Are you facing any challenges on the supply front?
No, so there is no issue on the supply side. The supply side is absolutely normalized. It's more, if at all there can be an issue, there can be an issue of demand side, which presently is not there. We are having a strong order book across all verticals. So even in case of washing machines, we have gone back to almost 100% utilization levels, and there, on account of the increased order book that we have from customers, we have in fact expanding our capacity in semi-automatic from 1.2 million to 1.6 million. And then fully automatic will have a capacity of 0.6 million. So we will be almost 1/3 of India's capacity of around 6.5 million. And if you look at lighting as a category, lighting again, we have gone back to almost 80-85% levels. And there, one is of course, we are the leader in the LED bulb segment. But other do indoor lighting products, which is battens and downlighters, there we are expanding our capacities, and we want to capture a 20-25% market share in that category as well. And also now we have taken a call to get into commercial lighting, both LED and floodlights, LED street light and floodlights. And there we will soon launch and start offering those solutions to our customers as well by Q4 of this financial year. We recently exported a small consignment to US and Indonesia markets, and we think it can become really scalable in times to come. So all the verticals are showing good growth, and we have recently forwarded into medical electronics, where we are making the RC-PCR analyzer machines, and there our first order will get dispatched in this month, in the month of September. And we expect a good demand from government hospitals, private labs, and export markets, as and when the export opens up in that category as well.
Okay, and for LED TVs, around 25% are imported to India. Now with the recent restrictions on imports, what kind of opportunity are you seeing to leverage this for Dixon? Are you going to look to increase your capacity manufacturing in the country?
Yeah, so almost the LED TV is a 25,000 crore market, out of which almost 7,000 was imported mainly from China and Vietnam. So that, as per the recent notification where they have put TVs in the restrictive category, so that will really boost domestic manufacturing. So more manufacturing will happen and the import will get reduced significantly. And secondly, it will accelerate sourcing by brands of domestically designed solutions. So Dixon, as a company, we are also offering both our own design solutions, and we think we'll be able to significantly migrate to our own design solution with some of our anchor customers in LED TV category. And as a result, as I mentioned, that because of this, we are seeing a significant traction, and we are expanding our capacity from 4.4 million to almost 5.5 million. And that 5.5 million is almost 40% of India's requirement today.
Right, we'll let you go on that note. Thanks so much for taking time out and joining in.